Now coming to the last stages of this, you need to make sure you got your centerpiece, nut, hammer, pin hammer, and your piece. So you'll have two of these. So what I'm going to do is, just as for extra support, I'm just going to push this inside. Now what I want to do is I want to get this nut here, just to wedge itself into the hole that the 8mm hole that I've just drilled. Now if you go along and whack it, the nut is going to fly out, or it might go in sideways. So best advice is just to give it little tips initially to kind of grip it. You can see that that bounced out, and this will take you a few goes. Yesterday when I was doing this, I was quite fortunate, it went in straight away, but today it doesn't seem to be the case. Now you just want it level there. You don't need it going in towards the middle piece. You just want to flush so that's level with the top surface. You can remove this piece now as well, the centerpiece. It might be a bit more difficult as the nut would be kind of wedged against it. And that's pretty much it. So we're on the last stages now. So what I need to do is cut off this bolt to the correct size so it's not jutting out over the edge. So I'm going to slot this in here. Now, this is going to be difficult to twist. So we're on the final stages now. All we've got to do is cut this bolt to the correct size. So we just want the bolt somewhere just shy of the end. So about 1mm or level with the end here. So what I suggest you do is slot it through. So if you're accurate, it'll just slot in no problem. It might be 0.5mm out. So I'm twisting this here, but I might need to use the Allen key just to get it in a bit easier. So I would just put it in just as a test run here. Now what I want to do is, this is my edge piece here. I want to cut off this bolt somewhere about here so I can run it out again. So what I can simply do is just line this up here. And I want to cut off this part of the bolt here. So I want to cut off the bolt, so I've already marked it off with pencil, but that can run off quite easily. So another good technique is to just have your piece here along the sides of the jaw and just line it up like this, tighten the vise like so. Now I'm going to use my junior hacksaw for this. You can also use a hacksaw, and I'm going to cut right in against the jaws of the vise. So with the junior hacksaw, the teeth are facing forward. So when you draw forward, that's when you are cutting. Just be careful when you get towards the end that you can hold on to the bolt, otherwise it's just going to go on the floor. You'll hear it on the sound, it'll start getting kind of high pitched. Now due to friction, that's going to be maybe mildly warm/hot, and this will be your bolt. So we've got one last step just to tidy this bolt up. So just take out the other bits of thread, leave it towards the side, and we just want to get rid of the burrs on this piece here. So okay, we want to get rid of any burrs that are here along the outside of it, because that's going to affect the thread. What you can simply do is just get your file and you're holding it at an angle like this. Just slightly, just file away the burrs. Now you can also do this in the vise if you wish, but depending on how bad the burrs are, that will depend on That'll depend on how much filing you have to do. This one looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to trial it in my piece. So once you get to this stage, you're just going to trial it by putting it in. Okay, I have your Allen key here, just at the ready. You can tighten that in. Now, you've already tested this to see does it go in, and it did last time, so it should go in again. If it doesn't, you've got burrs in the way of the thread, and you need to fix that. And you can see here that the bolt is not sticking out past the edge here. That's exactly what you want.